Hi, I'm Jessie from Jessie's Designs. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cast off stitches when you have just worked a knit one, purl one ribbon. This is the way I use for my Milagros sweater that I'm working on here. Here is how to do it. You knit the first stitch, then you purl the next, and now you're going to start casting off. The tension should be a little loose since this will give stretch to the work. Take the first stitch through the front loop, pull it, and pass it over the second stitch. Now you cast off one stitch. Now you're gonna knit the next stitch. You have again two stitches on your left hand needle. Insert the left hand needle through the front of the stitch, pull it over the second stitch and off the needle. This way you're gonna keep casting off stitches. Keep in mind that after you cast off a stitch and are ready to work on the next, you have to knit or purl depending on which stitch it is. Let's see it a few more times. Now you can see how stretchy it looks. Let's fast forward towards the end of this round. The tension should be a little loose since this will give stretch to the work. Try not to work too tight. Keep the tension a little loose so you can have that stretchy look. Now we are almost done with this last row of the body of the Milagros sweater. You're gonna cut off, leaving a long tail, and you're gonna pass the tail through the loop and weave in the ends. Here you have it. This is how to cast off in knit one, purl one, rib pattern.